Hello everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and welcome back to the Satoshi Chase, the series where I sometimes might make money and even less frequently understand why. Today I made about $1 in profit, which in crypto terms is either laughably small or historically consistent depending on your mental health. The market? Honestly, I have no idea. It exists, it's there, it moved, I think, probably. So while I bask in this mysterious gain, let's talk about a very real concept. How sometimes you win without fully knowing what you did right, and why that's both terrifying and beautiful. But first, let's check the charts. Ooh, we are about to close everything. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we could have taken some more profit, around a percent up, but it's okay, it's okay. We're still profitable. Profit is profit, you know how it goes. Now let's check the chart actually before opening a position, and what we can see from here. We see something, I don't know what we are seeing, unfortunately. The daily chart. Honestly, I don't know. I really don't know. Right now, I can't tell you anything. But the prices are going up and down, which is great. We took some profit, which is also great. And now let's reopen a few positions. Solana, 10 leverage, the lowest possible. We are in. Let's check the Bitcoin. Oh, the Bitcoin didn't drop like Solana did, but it's okay. We are not going to enter the Bitcoin market. I would like to check BNB. It's like the Bitcoin. Okay, let's open some. Of course, 66 cents. Yes. And what is the other lucky coin today? I'm actually open for suggestions, and you can always how do I say it, challenge me to a coin in the Binance platform. Of course, you can challenge me for one coin which I must buy and take profit. So yeah, I am willing to do it, and I am actually going to profit from it. I know these are both claims, but I am confident. And now I am going to open a position in Ethereum. Why is that? Because just a second please. Nope, not Ethereum, it's too pricey. I want to trade with the biggest coins in the market, which are the most stable, so we don't lose our equity. It's not that much, and yeah, let's keep things at the lowest possible risk. So other coin. Okay. Something. It's hard to choose. It's really hard to choose. We can always go with, how about this one? BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Yep, it's Bitcoin Cash. Okay, let's go with Ripple. I don't like this, and not because of the actual cryptocurrency, but just because I have lost money on it. But it's okay, it's in the past. We are going to move along really good together. We have 3 open positions, all of them are the lowest possible amount. Margin is almost none. Position value $17. Account equity $104.53, which is great news. This is almost $5 above what we started, because the fees took most of our money. Not most, some really small amount. But yeah, let's check the futures profit and loss details. Today's profit 93 cents, almost $1. Good news. Yesterday profit, today profit. Just to switch the calendar to today. Yes, 14 winning days and 6 losing days. Good news. We are consistent. Average profit is 61 cents and average loss is 2 cents. Total profit $8.50, which is over 8%. But no. Okay, let's start calculating our profit percentage in a different way, because we actually started with $100, fees took a few dollars, and despite us achieving more than $8, we are not at $108, we are at $104. So we will take this into consideration, and our profit so far is actually 4%, maybe 4.5%. So it again is a good result, but nonetheless it's not 8%. Assets value 104.56. Yep, exactly 4% and 4.56%. Again, it's a good result. I am happy with it. So far so good. We can do it even better, but let's see where the market is going. I'm not going to know this until we see some bigger movements. We can see Solana is trying to go down. Let's hope it does. We want to see $125 for one Solana. This is our goal. If it happens, we are going to be quickly becoming millionaires, or maybe $100 for a Solana. Who knows? Nobody knows. Let's talk about something I'm currently dealing with. I made a profit today, about $1, which in this challenge is basically a small parade worthy event. But here's the thing, I have absolutely no idea why. I opened the trade, followed what I thought was my strategy, and when I checked back later, I was in the green. And I sat there like, wait, did I actually do something right? Or did the market just randomly behave like a polite stranger for once? Spoiler, probably the latter. This is what I call profit without clarity, and it's more common than people like to admit, especially when you're still learning or trading part-time. It happens when you follow a setup but don't fully understand why it worked, you enter based on instinct, not analysis, and somehow win, or the market just flips a coin in your favor. And while it feels great, it's also a red flag in disguise. Because if you don't know why you won, you can't repeat it. And if you think you know, but you're wrong, you might build a strategy on sand. So I treat these trades as gentle reminders from the trading gods. Congrats, but don't get cocky. And weirdly, that brings me to a life lesson. Because this whole winning without knowing why thing, that happens outside of trading too. Sometimes in life you stumble into good situations. You get a job you didn't think you'd land, meet someone amazing without trying, or find yourself oddly lucky in moments you didn't expect. And if you're like me, your brain goes, I must have done something right, but what was it? The life lesson is enjoy the luck, but don't confuse it for a formula. Just like with trading, if something goes well, take the time to reflect on it. Figure out what was skill and what was just good timing. Because you can't replicate what you never understood. And whether it's markets or movements, clarity is what turns randomness into something you can build. And that's it for today. Profit achieved, clarity not included. Like, comment, subscribe, or just whisper trend confirmation into the void and hope your next trade doesn't betray you. I'll be back tomorrow with more sense, more uncertainty, and probably another Solana trade. Peace out, accidental millionaires in trading.